Hi and welcome to your next phase of living. I'm Jan Addams and I'm going to help you design a calm, colorful, aging in place, resort style home and life. Enter baby boomers. By 2031, about 23% of Canadians will be seniors. By 2061, there could be 12 million seniors to just 8 million children in Canada. The growing number of retired baby boomers has created both wealth, fiscal concern, and awareness of possible health needs. Enter aging in place. Our next phase is always about the needs, wants, and desires. Baby boomers need to plan for their future financial requirements. They want better health and places to wisely spend their wealth through fun, travel, and they desire to age gracefully, enjoying their home for as long as they can with their mate and extended family. However, some don't want to retrofit their homes with age-convenient products for one of three reasons. Pride. People will think I'm old. Denial. I'm fine. I don't need that stuff. And myths. The renos will hurt the resale value of my home. Well, welcome to Aging in Place Resort Style. Here's where I want you to ask yourself, where is our favorite holiday spot that we constantly go back to relax and recharge? Where is that location? Is it coastal, inland, or city? And what's the local attitude or vibe? Is it a very relaxed place or is it a very vibrant and busy place? The temperature. Are you more attracted to warm locations or cool locations? Of course, there are the amenities such as swimming, golf, tennis, restaurants, and shopping. What attracts you and what keeps you going back? Then look at the style. What are the houses in the area? The decor, the colors. They will be very different from area to area, and you will be attracted to certain styles. And your actual condo or hotel's best features. Is it the bedding and the linens, colors, furniture, the theme, or the conveniences? Again, ask yourself, why do we keep going back there to relax and recharge? Okay, let's dream to focus. This is a picture of a ski hill. Obviously, this is the cooler end of the spectrum. Can you picture yourself living in a little ski resort town where you can see the mountains off in the distance and can hardly wait to get out and ski? What about maybe in the forest? Maybe it's a European little house that's nestled nicely into all the trees, or it's a very contemporary house that actually feels like it's part of the forest. Is that your happy place? Maybe it's a desert dream. There's a lot of people that love going to Nevada, California, all the different areas where it's very warm and you're attracted to golfing and the heat and the dryness. Is that your favorite place? Well, my hubby and I's favorite place, you're going to start seeing a little bit of a trend. We are very fortunate and happy, and you can see that, yeah, we're kind of water babies, and the ocean is our happy place. In fact, that's me, and I'm always thinking about warm, calm, blue oceans with friendly creatures above and below the sea. But how do I take the place that I love and live in the city? These are things that I've had to ask myself, and this is what we did. Okay, who's Jan Addams? Well, that's me. I'm a 35-year interior design veteran. I am a published style strategy author, and I'm an online image to interior trainer. I created a book called Discovering Your Inner Style, 8 Steps to GURU. It's where your personality, your body shape, and your coloring interrelates into your interior design. That's me on Breakfast TV. I'm also a designer. That's my main focus. This is an example of a concept design to construction to the actual completion, and it's a carriage house for one of my clients that we did first before he moved into his main place. But I'm also a wife, I'm a mother, I'm an artist, I'm a pet lover of all furry and feathered creatures, but I'm also a fellow baby boomer. So believe me, I get your pain. I have designed our age-in-place resort-style life based on my husband and my needs and desires. It's now your turn to create yours. Now please understand, it's not about how much money you have. It's about bringing your favorite holiday vision, playful attitude, and a willingness to explore options to make life as we age stylishly convenient. What is aging in place? It's important because millions of people are already over 65. And by 2061, there could be 12 million seniors to just 8 million children in Canada alone. But understand, it's not for everyone. It's an individual and a family decision. And it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be doing it in your current home. And your needs need to be planned for and realize that it is a short-term solution until it is no longer viable for health or safety reasons. Now, versus resort-style living. This is recognizing that changes are necessary as our minds may still be young in attitude, but our bodies need a break. It's living a simpler, calm, organized, and inspiring life that has the best of everything you can afford. And it's surrounding yourself with your happy colors and positive memory accessories. And it's designed with stylish and convenient accessibility products ensured to last 7 to 10 more years in your space. Do you have a plan in place? Okay, what's universal design? It's equitable use for people with diverse abilities. It's flexibility in use for individual preferences. It's simple and intuitive. That's easy to understand. It's perceptible information that communicates effectively what the item does. And there's tolerance for error that minimizes hazards and accidental actions. There's low physical effort required for each item to be used effectively. And the last is size and space for approach and use for users' reach, manipulation, posture, or mobility. Now, this is versus hotel design trends. This is where your lobbies and entrances are dynamic, multi-use spaces that many people use. And their hotel rooms are spacious, and they have complete needs with luxurious features. They have spa-like bathrooms that are indulgent and sensory-awakening features. There's destination-type restaurants. They also create indoor-outdoor spaces where you can relax and enjoy. They use green and LEED features. They also focus on a lot of local art and artists. And of course, there's always technology. And because all of us are very connected to our family and still want to be part of them. And you will notice that there are less patterns, more color, and texture. These are personalized spaces where you can relax and enjoy. So, my goal is, let's merge these two at home. Let's start with the front entrance. This is where a bright with no step threshold, entering into a low maintenance and non-slip floor, and welcome mat with a wall featuring maybe focal and possibly local art. What about a master bedroom? Solitude and sound sleep, king-size bed, comfortable and supportive mattress, high-quality linens, interesting or hidden TV panels, reading chairs, bar fridge, coffee maker, soothing colors and more textures than patterns with darkening and noise-deadening drapery, How about a spa-like bathroom, luxurious and indulgent, tiled and marbled walls, with barrier-free walk-in showers, waterfall faucets, his and her sinks and robes, giant towels and cushy rugs, soft lighting. Maybe there's even a TV and a mirror. Next stop is the kitchen, the heart of the home, where huge attention to details that'll make the space not only beautiful, but also very functional, to act as the main gathering spot for family and guests. A very important spot, and that's one of the kitchens that I designed for a client of mine. Now let's move outside into the backyard and patio. This is where the indoor meets outdoor in living spaces. And you want to put in outdoor kitchens, maybe covered decks, patio seating, green walls, and mini gardens. Also in your home office, use high organization with technology at your fingertips. Okay, how do you know how to do this? Well, first of all, there's always rules. The first one is know your exterior factors. That's should you stay or should you go? I've got a report that's the 8 key deciding factors that'll help you decide whether you should renovate, sell, or build new. And then there's the interior details. This is what do you really need, want, and desire. And this moves the other components, that was your personality, body shape, and coloring, into your interior design, and I call that the Space Options Survey. In the next training video, we're going to discuss the 8 key deciding factors. This is to really determine what you should do. Should you renovate or should you sell and build new?